Ready? Start. Sir, so far as personal taxation is concerned, the main emphasis of the critics has been against the lowering of the exemption limit on personal income tax and the reduction of the income tax burden on the higher slabs of income stock. On these points, I have been at pains to explain the objectives of our taxation policy. Stop stanza. I had mentioned in my budget speech that the main reason for reduction in the existing rates at the higher levels of income was that in practice very high rates of direct taxation at the top brackets of income tend to erode the tax base and encourage tax evasion. Stop. It is no doubt true that the maximum rate of income tax and super tax applicable to the top brackets of income is proposed to be reduced from about 92% to a little less than 77% of for earned incomes and 84% for unearned incomes. Stop. But this reduction in marginal existing rates is not to be viewed in isolation. Stop. Under the tax pattern, income tax does not stand by itself. It is supplemented by the wealth tax and the expenditure tax. Stop. Its passage in the Lok Sabha. Stop. Over.